Still running your core business operations in Excel? Building a custom system can cost hundreds of thousands, and when your workflow changes, you pay to modify it again. The truth is, you don't need a custom system for every workflow. Meet ToucanOS. Agentify the workflows that run your business. Turn spreadsheet data into live, cloud-based grids your team can view, edit, and export anytime. Need something done? Just tell your AI teammate. It understands what you need and gets to work. Sales records, inventory, and follow-up tasks stay in sync automatically. It works with your products, policies, and business context, and it doesn't stop inside your company. Front Desk brings it directly to your website, helping every customer. Every conversation becomes real business action, synchronized across your systems. And when your process changes, you don't need another development project. Adapt the workflow through just a few messages. We understand this problem because we lived it too. ToucanOS, from spreadsheets and rigid systems to programmable business operations.